The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound G. Repeat after me. G. 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 G in grid. Again, grid. Gate. Again, gate. Goal. Again, goal. Glow. Again, glow. Gold. Again, gold. Give. Again, give. Grief. Again, grief. Glass. Again, glass. Grit. Again, grit. What other words have the initial sounds G? Elegant. Again, elegant. Forget. Again, forget. Blogger. Again, blogger. Danger. Again, danger. Forgive. Again, forgive. Google. Again, Google. Imagine. Again, imagine. Jogging. Again, jogging. Jungle. Again, jungle. What other words have the middle sounds G? G in lag. Again, lag. Dog. Again, dog. Wig. Again, wig. Big. Again, big. Leg. Again, leg. Log. Again, log. Blog. Again, blog. Drug. Again, drug. Mug. Again, mug. What other words have the final sounds G? Now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Getting a promotion is exciting. Again, getting a promotion is exciting. Going for ice cream is a real treat. Again, going for ice cream is a real treat. Against all odds. Again, against all odds. Beg the question. Again, beg the question. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? The glum groom grew glummer. Again, the glum groom grew glummer. Granny's grey goose goes last. Again, Granny's grey goose goes last. Gail's great glass globe glows green. Again, Gail's great glass globe glows green. He won the challenge against all odds. Again, he won the challenge against all odds. We'll be going. Again, we'll be going. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound G. Repeat after me. G. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.